1 डिसेंबर वर्ल्ड एड्स डे म्हणून मनयतात. गोंय राज्य एड्स कंट्रोल सोसायटीन अंदू तो पणजेच्या मिनेझीस ब्राकाजा हॉलात मनयलो. त्या निमतान कांय सर्ती घेतल्यो.
1 डिसेंबर हो संवसारभर वर्ल्ड एड्स डे म्हूण मनयतात. एड्साचे बाबतीन वेगवेगळ्या माध्यमांतल्यान लोकांमदी जागृताय घडोवन हाडपी उपक्रम सरकार राबयता. अंदू कांय सर्ती दवरिल्ल्यो. गोंयान HIV एड्स जाल्ल्याच्यो नोंदी वाडत चल्ल्यात अशी खंत तज्ञांनी उक्तायली.
We support, we unite together for the cause of that what they are going through. Dr. Gokul Das has elaborated the topic theme of this year, Equalize, a call for action. But I just want to add, like this call for action is from all the sectors, all the levels, maybe from the government level, maybe from the policy makers, maybe. But what is expected from us? As a student, as a lay person, is that our attitude towards this HIV AIDS. There is a lot of stigma which a HIV patient undergoes. It's not that they undergo stigma because they are suffering, but thinking what people will say, what people will think about it.
Now this year's theme is Equalize, which means we have gender inequality. Health-seeking behavior is very less in women. So that's why the theme of this year is that we should equalize and see that all people have access to the facilities of testing, for treatment, come forward, get tested, and be aware of what this disease is about. Another thing I would like to mention especially is this year I read somewhere that Goa has registered a few more cases of HIV. You know, in the last 2 years, because of COVID and many other factors, the testing also was less. So this year, we may catch on those people who have not been tested last year. And it is in a way good thing because of the 95-95-95 formula which the GSACs advocates, which is 95% of the people have to be tested, 95% of those tested have to be put on treatment, and 95% of those on treatment should have viral suppression. You know that when treatment is given, they do several tests to see whether the viral load is less in the blood.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजे सावन विलियम रॉड्रिग्स.